Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to Learn and Success. I'm really happy to have you here today. Whether you're watching this video while walking, traveling, cooking, or just relaxing, thank you for spending your time with me. It truly means a lot, and I'm excited to support you on your English learning journey. In today's video, we're going to talk about a challenge that almost every English learner faces at some point. Understanding native English speakers. I know how frustrating it can feel when native speakers talk very fast, use slang, or speak in a way that sounds confusing. You might be thinking, why is English so hard to understand? Or how can I keep up with real conversations? If you feel this way, don't worry, you're not alone. Many learners struggle with this. But here's the good news. You can improve your listening skills, and in this video, I'll guide you step by step. I'll share practical and proven tips that will help you understand native speakers more easily and feel more confident when listening to English. So let's begin. First, let's understand why native speakers can be difficult to understand. Many learners think that learning grammar and vocabulary is enough. But spoken English works differently. Native speakers speak fast, connect words, use accents, slang, and informal expressions. This is why listening can feel much harder than reading or writing. Have you ever listened to a native speaker and felt completely lost? Maybe you understood a few words, but the rest sounded unclear. This happens because native speakers often don't pronounce every word clearly. They shorten words, drop sounds, and use contractions. For example, going to becomes gonna, and want to becomes wanna. This sounds very different from textbook English. Another reason is accents. English is spoken all over the world, and every region has a different accent. American, British, Australian, and many others all sound different. When you hear an accent you're not used to, it can feel like a new language even though it's still English. Native speakers also use slang and informal expressions. These are common in daily conversations but often not taught in classes. For example, when someone says, "What's up?" they're not asking about the sky. They're just saying hello. There's also connected speech, where words are joined together. For example, "I'm going to go" may sound like one long word. If you're not familiar with this, fast speech becomes very challenging. All of this is normal. Native speakers don't speak perfectly, and with practice, you can understand them better. It takes time, but it's completely possible. Now let's talk about practical tips that will help you improve. Tip 1. Listen to real conversations. The best way to improve is by listening to natural English. Podcasts, YouTube videos, interviews, and vlogs are great. Choose topics you enjoy. Don't try to understand every word. Focus on the general meaning. Rewind and listen again if needed. Over time, your brain will adjust. Tip 2. Pay attention to accents. If you often hear a specific accent, focus on that one. Watch movies or shows from that region. The more exposure you get, the easier it becomes. Tip 3. Focus on key words. Don't stress about small words. Focus on important words like nouns, verbs, and adjectives. These carry the main meaning. Tip 4. Use subtitles wisely. Start with subtitles if needed. First in your native language, then in English. Later, try watching without subtitles to challenge yourself. Tip 5. Break speech into chunks. Native speakers pause naturally. Train yourself to listen in small parts instead of long sentences. Tip 6. Try shadowing. Listen to a short clip and repeat it immediately. Copy the speed, pronunciation, and rhythm. This improves both listening and speaking. Tip 7. Practice with different accents. Expose yourself to English from different countries. This makes your listening skills stronger and more flexible. Tip 8. Slow down the audio. Use playback speed controls. Start slow, then increase gradually as you improve. Tip 9. Ask for clarification. It's okay to ask someone to repeat or explain. Native speakers are usually happy to help. Tip 10. Use context clues. Look at the topic and situation to guess meaning. You don't need to know every word to understand the message. Tip 11. Be patient with yourself. Fluency takes time. Every time you listen, you improve a little more. Progress matters more than perfection. Tip 12. Practice listening exercises. Use apps, websites, or books that test your listening comprehension. Start easy and move up. Tip 13. Improve your vocabulary. Learn new words daily, especially common and practical ones. Focus on phrases and word combinations. Tip 14. Learn idioms. Idioms are everywhere in spoken English. Learn common ones and notice how they're used. Tip 15. Practice active listening. Focus fully on the speaker. Try to summarize what you heard in your own words. Tip 16. Join conversation groups. Online or offline groups help you practice real conversations and hear different accents. Tip 17. Learn stress and intonation. The way words are stressed can change meaning. Listen carefully and practice copying it. Tip 18. Use transcripts. Listen first without reading. Then check the transcript and listen again. This is very powerful. Tip 19. Recognize fillers. Words like and you know are normal. Ignore them and focus on the message. Tip 20. Watch TED Talks. They are clear, interesting, and come with subtitles and transcripts. Tip 21. Focus on practical vocabulary. Daily life words help you understand real conversations faster. Tip 22. Listen to different types of audio. News, podcasts, interviews, and videos all improve your listening in different ways. Tip 23. Keep a listening journal. Write new words and expressions you hear. Review and use them. Tip 24. Use technology and apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, HelloTalk, Tandem, podcasts, and flashcards can help you practice anytime. Thank you so much for watching this video on Learn and Success. I truly hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, understanding native speakers is not impossible. It just takes consistent practice, patience, and belief in yourself. To recap, today we talked about why native speakers can be hard to understand and shared practical strategies to improve your listening skills. The key is simple. Practice regularly and stay patient. Now it's your turn. Try 1 or 2 tips today. Rewatch a scene, slow it down, or practice shadowing. Small steps make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone who's learning English. Learning together makes the journey easier and more fun. I'd also love to hear from you. Which tip will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn and Success so you don't miss future videos. In the next one, we'll focus on improving your English speaking confidence. I'm proud of the effort you're making. Believe in yourself and enjoy the process. Keep practicing, stay patient, and remember, you've got this. See you in the next video. Take care.